Like a Hellcat.
What is up, you guys? As you can see, we're on the hobby of Flood Escape, and as you may know, if anyone of y'all know this, just put hashtag Flood Escape. And as you may know, we are back, and we will be doing hard. If these two players can escape already, but why is my character doing this? It's like, what? I'm not. What? Why is my camera there? I'm just gonna reset. Alright, let's try restarting that. Welcome back. We're gonna be trying to complete hard. I think that's what this is. Yeah, it is hard. We're gonna try to complete this. If you remember this, yeah, well, my camera's just naturally doing that. I'm sorry, I can't help it. But, we're gonna be trying to complete this hard level to see if we're a boss. If we can complete one of these without dying once in one single try, we're boss. We're boss. There's nothing else we can. There's nothing no one can say. We're boss. Eat it. Just eat it all. Eat it with ketchup and salt on top. Who eats ketchup and salt together? I don't know. But eat both those on top. Just you know what I'm talking about. We're boss. We're boss. If we can complete this one try. Okay, when is it leaving? Oh, we need one more player, I think. Yeah, one more player needs to die. Come on. You know you wanna. I actually want to exit the lift. Click again. Exiting. Yeah, okay, apparently I'm exiting, but I don't want to exit. Please, may I exit? Thank you. No! No! Thank you. Intermission. We can now join this, and the intermission is in 1, and we're going down, guys. With one more person. Kiki Pros. I think that's her name. Alright, guys, let's see if we can complete this, okay? Where are we going? Okay. No. Okay, she already clicked that. Did she? No. Okay. Jeez. Okay, I'm dead. Okay, we're not boss. I'm sorry. Please do not spam my comments saying that I'm honestly trash. Because I'm usually good. That one, she was just messing up my flow. I'm sorry. Next, I'm trying to try to do it alone. Because, I'm just going to try to do it alone. Let's try to do a medium. After these 3 players, I would say, are dead. We're going to have to wait for a while, guys. For now, we can just go and, see what the rest of these are. Alright. Some more game modes. What? A flood sword. I mean, I play this, but I've never actually, been interested in going down there. I played this a lot, but I've never been, so interested in going down there, because, whatever. But, what's a flood sword? What is a flood sword? What are these, exactly? I think it's decoration. Dang it! Alright, at least these 2 are almost done. Alright. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Okay, I don't want to leave because, the lift can just easily be coming up and it could just, I could be left. Oh no, the camera's supposed to do that because I realized when I walked in, they widened my screen. I think it's supposed to be like that. I'm sorry, I'm not doing it. It's not me. I'll require it or like it. Oh yes, finally. Okay, let's see if we can beat this, guys. Been waiting forever. I'm sorry. Alright, time to escape. I'm just gonna focus on trying to get to the top, because if I get to the top, everybody else can do the work for me. I mean, it's kind of lazy, but then again, it's really just like the best solution without like dying. Just let everybody do the work for you. Where is it? Because no one... Oh, finally, thank you. Okay, okay. I can escape from this, guys. Okay, there we go. The flood can be rising any minute now. No, never mind. Okay, yeah, it can't, dang it! Wow. That was really fun, but also really dramatic. Alright. Hurry up. One person's left. Stop acting like a pro and just die. Let me see what this is. Medium. Come on, go off to the side. Just fall. Stop being laggy and just fall. Yes, perfect. Alright, we're in intermission. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game is ready. Escape faculty. Facility, I think that's what it's saying. I don't think it really matters though. Dang it, I sacrificed my life though. Cause I could've just did my old plan and just like let everybody do it for me. But yeah. Yeah, I guess that's it. Okay, Flood Tape 2. No, I can't go back. What? You dive just walk into water? What type of... Easy. I'm gonna try easy, because I tried hard, medium, and let's see how easy is. I'm a noob, I can't make it far and easy. Come on, intermission. Come on, intermission. Sorry, excuse me. Had a tickle. Alright, let's go. You got this. Simple. Look around for buttons right now. I don't actually look around for buttons because... Oh. Okay, okay, we're supposed to be going up on this map, aren't we? Guaranteed a couple bucks. Okay. I'm not doing anything, we're just running. That's it. Was the button pressed? I think it was. Even if it is, I'm not pressing it. Yes, it was. Okay, great. Let's see. I'm not a cheater. Like, I could easily just buy a gravity coil, but like, what's the fun in that? Like, there's no point. Well, I'm acting like a noob right now. I'm supposed to be like way in the top of this right by now. Come on. Come on. No. Nope. Great, I'm dead. Wow. That was actually not too bad of a run, but, Wow, really bad for me playing easy right now. I guess this is it, guys. Remember to slap that like button and subscribe. Yeah.